Hello, my friends. It's time for calendar. So let's get started and clap the syllables in November. Hands up. November. Great job. Now let's look for some letters that we know in our word November. I'm going to circle one and you tell me what it is. What is this letter right here? It's letter M, and M makes the sound like monkey. What about this letter? What is that letter called? Letter V, and V makes the V sound like van. What about this letter? It's letter E, and E makes the like elephant. What about this letter? What is that letter called? It's letter O, and O makes the like octopus. And finally, our last letter that we learned, what is that letter? It's letter R. R makes the r sound like ring. Great job, my friends. Let's go ahead and take a look at our calendar and see what number we're on today. All right, guys, so let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're on number 9, my friends. Remember, 9 has the circle on top. So let's figure out what needs to come next in the pattern. Say it with me. Apple, apple, leaf. Apple, apple, leaf. What should come next? Apple, because our pattern for this month is apple, apple, leaf. That's what keeps repeating and going and going and going. Very good. Let's look at our rhyming words for today. Let's see if these two pictures rhyme. Dog, frog. Frog, dog. Do you think they rhyme or do you think they don't rhyme? Show me with a thumbs up or thumbs down. Frog, dog. They rhyme. Frog and dog rhyme. They sound the same at the end. They both end in the og sound. Dog, frog. They both have the same ending sound. Well, let's sing our weather song together.
Oh, what is the weather?
The weather. Oh, what is the weather? The weather today. So take a look outside. What type of weather is it at your house? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it hot? Is it cold? What type of weather is it today at your house? All right, my friends, it's time for math stories. So let me tell you guys a story about our apple orchard. One day in the apple orchard, Chiffon saw 2 red apples on the ground. So I'm going to put 2. 1, 2. Nolan saw 6 yellow apples on the ground. So let's put 6 yellow apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Krista, she saw 3 green apples on the ground. So now I need to add 3 green apples. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. My goodness, there are a lot of apples on the ground today. My question is, how many apples are on the ground all together? So if I say all together, I need to know how many are all together. That means I need to count the red ones, the yellow ones, and the green ones. So we have a lot to count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 apples all together on the ground. Now 11 has 2 numbers in it. Let me show you what an 11 looks like. It's a 1 and a 1. When 2 ones are together, that makes the number 11. There are 11 apples all together on the ground. I want you to practice writing your number 11. This one should be easy because it's just 2 straight lines. Start at the top, go down, start at the top, go down. All right, friends? Great. Let's keep going because we got a new letter this week. Let's see what it is. What letter is it? It's letter S. This week we're talking about letter S and the sound that it makes. What sound does letter S make again? S, s. Letter S makes the s sound. So one word that begins with the s sound is sun. Sun begins with the s sound. So I'm going to draw a sun. I'm going to get yellow. I'm going to make a yellow circle first. Color in yellow a little bit. And then I'm going to make the sun rays. So I'm going to make some straight lines coming out from the circle to make my sun. And let me write the word sun, because sun begins with the s sound. I want you to think of a word that begins with the s sound. Tell me one word that begins with the letter S sound. S, okay? I can't wait to hear from you guys. Bye, my friends.